welcome back to the channel. My name is Alexandra and today we're working on a new look for Valentine's Day. But before we get started for this look, I want to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alexandra. I also go by Alex. I'm a beauty creator here on YouTube and I have a fashion blog and a wrestling podcast. So if you're interested in any of those stuff, I will definitely link it below. So today, like I told you guys, I wanted to work on a more of a glowy type of look, and I really focus on using a dewy foundation and focus on more softer tones of shadows and kind of bringing brightness and youthfulness to the face. For this look, I wanted to do something a little bit different, just in case anybody is don't like to play with earthy tones or like deeper darker shadows, but like to mess with the lighter shades and kind of want to create simple looks. I went ahead and did that for you guys. I use on ColourPop's Baby Got Peach. I'm gonna flip it so the plastic of the mirror doesn't jump off. But very playful colors, very youthful, simple, but it brings a lot of youth. Like it brings the brightness to the eyes. It's just super youthful, and you could just see the glowiness coming through the skin and the eyes. Just like it's the pop of color. So I really wanted to kind of focus on that for you guys and give you another alternative just in case you don't know what you want to wear and you want to do something very simple but very light in color. If you're going out with your significant other for Valentine's Day, I don't know what everybody's plans, but if you do, go ahead and you could try this look. It's very simple and very easy. And you could swap out the lip gloss that I'm wearing for this tutorial for a matte finish that doesn't rub on to your mask. So very simple. I wanted to like really focus on creating a more playful and youthful look for you guys on YouTube. But I hope you guys are enjoying this. I'm gonna definitely work on more Valentine's looks before Valentine's Day, so you guys can have some couple of ideas coming up and see what you're gonna do. Even if you're staying at home, go ahead and get dressed. And if you're celebrating by yourself, still get dressed and treat yourself for Valentine's Day. But yeah, so I want to say thank you so much. And if you like what you saw on the channel, go ahead and like and comment and subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. So I'll see you guys in my next video. I hope everyone has a wonderful week. Bye. So real quick, before we get into the video, I want to just share with you guys real quick. I'm using the Hard Candy Blur Primer. I feel like when you're trying to get the consistency of the face, and we're going to use a dewy foundation to kind of like give us that glow that we're looking for in this tutorial. I'm sorry, my daughter's on the phone with my niece, but I wanted to come here real quick and talk about that before we get into the tutorial. I'm gonna do my foundation. I intend to not to do that, but we're gonna do that first. I'm gonna do the half on camera and the other half off camera.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let